Okay, so I have to tell the story again or not, we'll see. Okay, so first of all, I connected my virtual machine to VMNet0. VMNet0 is a bridge to my physical NIC like this. Sometimes network disturbance, network disconnections, it may problem occurs in a virtual machine. So every time it is happening like that, it is little irritates, right? Now I'm sitting here, no problem. If I go to my hometown, maybe there is a problem. Maybe if I got a power cut, again maybe another problem. So I want a stable connection, a stable connection. So what I'm trying to do is I will add another NIC to my virtual machine. For that one, I have to power off my virtual machine. Okay, and I connect this NIC to VMNet1. SN IP address to VMNet1 static way, and SN IP address to my virtual machine second NIC in a static way. Then I will try to communicate from my physical machine to virtual machine like a putty kind of stuff. I can try to do it. Only one thing is through this one internet won't work. Only VMNet0 internet works. So that is the thing. Okay. So how to power off my virtual machine? It won't take much time. So no problem. So sometimes it is connecting, sometimes disconnecting. It is always irritates. One thing is either application problem or your physical network problem. When you power off, automatically it shows fatal error, remote side unexpectedly closed connection. Okay, it's showing inactive. No problem. You can close this one, or once it is machine is on, then you can go to restart the session. Also, you can do it. Okay, because I'm just powering off, right? It is a power down. Go to edit virtual machine settings, add network adapter, finish. So it is. This is connected to VMNet0. The second one is connected to NAT. NAT is also connected to physical network. NAT is different IP address, but it is to NAT. So NAT purpose is little different. I'm going to custom VMNet1 or VMNet2. Your wish. VMNet1. Okay, so I don't want to confuse more. So then it is VMNet1. Depends upon settings. You know, understanding of VMNet1 setting, VMNet2 setting kind of stuff. You can use it. Anything, no problem. Okay. So VMNet1, network adapter, VMNet1. Okay. So I have a two adapters. Two adapters. Okay. Second one is VMNet1. First one is VMNet0 is connected. Then power on the virtual machine. See, look at here, all users. I created a lot of users, all users. Go to not listed, root, admin at the rate 123. So main mission, better to log in with the root only, guys, because any admin task you want to do it, directly you can do it on your main mission only. So any second thing, like you want to work with student, you can use putty also. Okay, now you got a machine. Okay, yeah, you can directly go to this. If it is showing, this is a second one. This second one, ENS37 is a second one, which one we connected to VMNet1. Okay, so here it is, nmcli or anything you can use. This is my main adapter. I got already IP address, that one. This is a new one. See, it is ENS37. Adapter name is ENS37. It is wide connection 1. Okay, and it is connected and getting IP address. It won't get IP address, guys, don't worry. Okay, so you can put it nmcli device show kind of stuff also will get it. Okay. Yeah, so don't worry all these things. If config is enough. So look at here. This is our main adapter we know already. So this is connected. This is 37. It's not showing any IP address. Meaning is not a connection. Only IPv6 is there. IPv4 IP address is not showing. So we have to configure. So what we have to do? As I said, first we have to configure IP address for VMNet1, then internal one. So in my physical machine, ncpa.cpl. Okay. If you want, you can put a VMNet2 or VMNet3. Okay. My choice is VMNet1. It is DHCP enabled kind of stuff. It is showing, no problem. Go to properties. IPv4 properties. Use following. I'm giving some my own IP address 100 or 101. So I'll put a 101 for me. Nothing, just I give an IP address and subnet mask is came, and I'm not filling anything. Okay, 172 series I given. So no problem with any 192 series, right? So I given an IP address static way to my physical machine VMNet1. So DHCP enable now 172.16.0.16.0.101. Next. Now I'm going to client. I want to change IP address nmtui. I choose nmtui because it's my easiest one. I can easily configure. Compared to CLI and GUI, I like TUI. Practice TUI, guys. TUI. So edit connection, activate a connection. Okay, make sure go to activate connection. So this is not active. Try to activate, but it won't get activate. Why? Because of DHCP server is not connected to our second kind of stuff. It should have IP address or DHCP server connection. Yeah, it is taking unnecessarily attach this one. I have to assign IP address first, then activate. No problem. Okay. So first I'm going to back, edit virtual machine settings. This is name is different, little name is different, no problem. That is a ENS37, edit. So this is a profile name, see, but adapter is same thing only. Change automatic to manual, show IP address, add 172.16.0.100. That is 101. This is 100 /16 because class B. There is no gateway, nothing. No gateway, no DNS, nothing is there. Just an IP address is enough. So I changed my automatic to manual here, and I given 172.16.0.100/16. You can put it space bar here. Then it is cross mark will open space. Required IP address, sync for this connection. Then finally go to OK. I reached OK, click OK. Then go back, activate a setting. Now it is also activated. See, both are activated. I send IP address, then go to quit. So then find out IP address. If IP address not showing, yeah, it is showing here. It is showing here, then it is good. It is showing here, NS37 showing. It is my local IP address. Okay, IP address is assigned finally. Okay. Now what I'm trying to do is both are in a same network. Okay, both are in a same network. So what I'm trying to do is from my physical machine, I'm trying to ping my Linux machine 100. I'm pinging, communication is there, see, communication is there. And from my virtual machine to physical machine also I will communicate. ifnc2 is enough. 172.16.0.101. See, both side communication is also there. Second, main column is putty column. This putty column. Okay, so I'm going to my putty. Put the virtual machine IP address 100 SSH protocol port number 22. Just open, accept, click on accept. Okay, it is letters are small. Then I'm going to change settings, Windows appearance, click change, volt. Yeah, I will put a 18. That is okay. So I can log in with the user or root or anyone. For temporarily I'm logging with the root. See, PWD, who am I, host name, working right. So you can work with your putty. So if in case if my virtual machine is physically disconnected, but still I can able to interact with my virtual machine using another network, using another connection. That is your virtualization part. Okay, remote access part. Sorry. Guys, understand how to do it? Just for understanding only, I'm writing a parts here. First of all, I power off virtual machine. Next, then I go to edit virtual machine settings. Edit virtual machine settings. Then I go to add network adapter. Then I change like a custom VMNet1. I put a VMNet1 Okay, then completed, okay, then poweron. Meanwhile, go to your physical machine. Okay, these are all in our VMware workstation. This is in your VMware workstation. This is in your physical machine. Okay, go to run ncpa.cpl. Go to VMNet1. Okay, go to properties. Sorry, details. Right click, status, details. Right click, status, details. So then check the details. Go to properties. IPv4 kind of stuff, Internet Protocol 4 kind of stuff, properties. Not much, this much is not required. You know how to do it. So what I done, I put a IP address 172.16.0.101. Subnet mask. Click OK. Part completed. Now again go to virtual machine. You log in. So what to do? Check IP address. Ifconfig or any command you can use it. Your second adapter is mostly name is ENS37. Okay, next nmtui. Easy option is nmtui. Okay, forget nmtui. nmtui. Anywhere you can use it. It is edit a connection. First go to edit connection. Select adapter. Adapter name is ENS37 or it shows wide connection 1. Then choose edit option. Okay. So go to IPv4 configuration. Change automatic to manual. Change automatic to manual. Okay, then of course for IPv4, so that at address 172.16.0.100/16 because it's a class B. Nothing to do it. So of course manual. Use option show. Then it will do edit. Then finally OK. There is a thing is there, you have to check it like this. Okay, I'm not telling that one, just do it. Okay, then finally quit. Come back to normal. So like this. Click OK. Back. Quit. Once you done quit, then check IP address. Next, ping to physical machine. From physical machine also into that pinging, make sure everything is working fine. Open putty, the address VM, open root password. So this is how to add an adapter. So just I told some steps in the description, that's it only. Okay, just to not to forget what to do. Anybody getting doubt or anything?